Serene Blossoms Nail Art Tutorial by Beetles. Now, let's do unboxing and get ready with me. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. Start with clean nails after applying medium almond nail tips. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation base gel, then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Apply this gel as base color. Apply the base color evenly. We need to apply the second layer and cure for another 60 seconds. Apply this gel at nail tip. We need a liner brush to create a gradient effect. Cure for 30 seconds. Take out the French tip nail stamp. Apply a layer of color gel polish on the nail stamp. Place your finger at 45 degrees and slightly press into the nail stamp. Use the liner brush to complete drawing the French tips. Cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Let's do the painting. Leave some color gel on a clean, empty plate. We need a dotting pen to paint the flowers. Finish the whole hand. Top coat is the final step of nail art routine. It makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done. Now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.